Hello everyone, this is Asim from Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and today I'm here to give you a daily analysis for 10th October 2018. Before I start my analysis, I'd ask those who have just joined the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get all the updates that we're posting on daily basis. Starting my analysis from the economic calendar, we can see some important news coming from Britain. Its GDP, it's expected to be positive. The forecast is 0.1, so I can see that it might have a negative impact on the British pound against the dollar and some other currency pairs as well. Moving further on to other currency pair, as you can see, there is also manufacturing production. The results are going to be forecasted really good, so it's 0.1, better than the previous one. And if we can look into the history, it has been it might have it is good and better from the previous one, so I can see some good impact for this news. It's going to be a little bit mixed, as there is both news are coming at a time, so we might see most of the time as the GDP is more powerful, and I can expect a lower result than the previous one, so I can expect a bearish trend for the GBP. Moving on to the dollar, there is a PPI news is coming, and there are not other further major news. There are some small news like crude oil inventory stocks and all these inventories from the US, and current account NSA from Japan for the Japanese yen. So I will further on move to dollar index. As the dollar index tried to rail towards the upward direction in a bearish momentum and try to achieve as highest as 95.15, but currently it's trading on 95.71 points, and I'm expecting, if it continues to close today and in red, I'm expecting it to drop to 95.18 or below. Technically it's also a downtrend, so I'm expecting a bearish momentum. Moving on to euro dollar, as you can see, currently it's just above the pivot, but it means that it will try to approach 1.571, and as it got bounced back two days continuously from 1.146 and 1.43. It has started to it is trying to start an upward momentum. We will just change the plot style, the candlestick style, to Hikanashi, and it will also give, it's still a downtrend, but if it closes in Hikanashi as well to above the pivot, I'm expecting it a bullish momentum, as the dollar index is falling as well continuously. So I would say that it will go in an upper direction in a bearish momentum. So I'm bearish on Euro USD, and it will try to achieve the 1.152 and 1.154 in extension if the dollar index falls below 95 points. So good luck, traders. Moving on to the GBPUSD, we have seen today a big rally in GBPUSD as the pound, as the dollar drops, the dollar index drops, and we see the pound getting stronger against it. It does not mean that the pound was stronger, but actually the dollar got weaker. That's why we see a big green candle being formed today. But I'm expecting that if the news for tomorrow for GDP will come, we can expect a drop in it. So even though the dollar will be weaker, but the pound will get weaker, it might have a sideways effect, but we might see a big spike for the moment of the news. So I am at least before the news, I'm bullish on it, but after the news, within the news, we might change the momentum into a bearish momentum. USD and Canadian dollar, at the moment it's below the pivot, and it's a very good sell, as currently it got rejected from 1.300 continuously in a row of 2 days. So it's a very good sign that it will not try to approach once again 1.30, and it has started its bearish momentum. It got bounced back at a very weak support, which is at 1.294, but I'm expecting it to move towards 1.2 to 1.288. So I'm bearish on USD Canadian dollar, and expect it to reach with the extension of 1.288. So be careful with the trade. I would be expecting you to be very careful with the GBPUSD trades. Moving on to gold, one of the last pair that in today's analysis. As you can see, today's pivot is 1190, and it's below this momentum. But once again, it got rejected twice from the 1183.478 points, and it might repeat this pattern which was formed which was formed last week. So I'm expecting that it will form, and it's kind of a bullish engulfing candle, so that it will start another bullish momentum, and I'm expecting to go high, and its next target will be 1197 and an extension 1205. That's all from Trade with Asim and Sajjad. If you have not subscribed yet to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates that we post. Thank you so much and have a good trading.